Have you ever looked in the mirror and quietly thought to yourself, I used to feel stronger, what happened? You're eating well. You try to stay active. Maybe you've even added some supplements into your routine. But your muscles still feel softer, recovery feels slower, and with each year, it seems harder to hold on to the strength you once took for granted. Here's the truth, your muscles haven't given up on you. They're simply waiting for the right signal. And what if I told you that the first 60 minutes of your morning could be the key? That how you start your day could determine whether your body continues to break down muscle or finally starts to rebuild it. And no, it has nothing to do with lifting weights or drinking protein shakes first thing. It has everything to do with what's happening inside your body, inside your hormones, your mitochondria, and especially, your liver, before you even take your first bite of food. Why muscle loss happens despite healthy habits. Most people unknowingly start their mornings in a way that blocks muscle growth, spikes cortisol, raises insulin, and keeps them stuck in a low-energy, muscle-wasting state. That means, even if you're eating protein later, it might not be doing what you think it is. If your strength is fading, or you just can't seem to build it back up like before, it's likely not a protein problem. It's a timing problem. A hormonal problem. A liver problem. The good news? There's a simple fix. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start your mornings to flip your body's anabolic switch, so it begins to build muscle again, burn fat more efficiently, and regulate your hormones naturally. You'll learn why your liver might be secretly sabotaging your muscle growth. How to activate natural muscle-building pathways without eating more protein. A 5-minute daily ritual to boost testosterone, growth hormone, and energy. The number one mistake that's turning off your body's muscle-building ability after 50. And how the timing of your meals and movements could change everything, starting tomorrow. The liver, the hidden hero of muscle regeneration. Let me ask you something. When you wake up in the morning, what's the first thing you do? Do you reach for coffee? Breakfast? Juice? Most people don't realize that their ability to either build or lose muscle first thing in the morning doesn't begin with protein, it begins with their liver. Here's why. While you sleep, your body enters a fasting, healing mode. During this time, your liver plays a critical role by releasing stored glycogen to keep your blood sugar stable, your brain fueled, and your body in balance. But if your liver is overburdened, due to processed foods, late-night snacks, alcohol, or high insulin, it can't keep blood sugar stable. And when your blood sugar drops too low in the early morning, your body panics. It pumps out cortisol. And without enough glucose, it begins to break down muscle tissue to convert into fuel. That's right, your body eats its own muscle to keep your brain running. This is why millions of people wake up every single morning in a catabolic, muscle-wasting state, and they don't even know it. A simple analogy, the power plant. Think of your liver like a power generator. When it's charged and healthy, it keeps energy flowing smoothly. But when it's clogged, it shuts down, and your body flips the emergency switch by burning muscle. But here's the good news. You don't need more protein in the morning. You need to support your liver so it can do its job. Here's how. Stop eating 3 to 4 hours before bed. This allows your liver to finish processing insulin and reset its glycogen stores overnight. Avoid sugary, high-carb dinners. These spike insulin and block overnight muscle repair. Hydrate first thing in the morning, before coffee or food. Drink a full glass of warm water with lemon or apple cider vinegar to support liver detox. Support your liver with choline or milk thistle. Choline helps your liver process fats and stabilize blood sugar, protecting your muscles from breakdown. Move before you eat. Even a light 5-minute walk activates healthy blood sugar and keeps cortisol in check. Because when your liver starts the day strong, your entire metabolic system shifts from breakdown to rebuilding. Cortisol, friend or foe? Let's talk about cortisol, the most misunderstood hormone in the human body. Most people think cortisol is simply the stress hormone. But it's also a circadian hormone, meaning it rises in the morning to help wake you up and energize you. That natural spike is called the cortisol awakening response. The problem? If cortisol spikes too fast or too high, it triggers muscle breakdown instead of energy. But when it rises gradually and stays within its natural rhythm, it becomes a powerful ally that actually helps preserve muscle and burn fat. The match analogy. Imagine cortisol is like a match. If you light it gently, it warms your system. If you throw gasoline on it, boom, your body burns out fast. Muscle loss. Inflammation. Fatigue. So what causes that gasoline? Waking up to mental stress, coffee, blue light, sugar-filled breakfasts. Here's what to do instead. Don't check your phone immediately. News, emails, and social media spike mental stress instantly. Get sunlight within 20 minutes of waking. This tells your body it's morning and helps anchor your metabolism. A 3-minute walk or light bodyweight movements can lower cortisol and raise dopamine, shifting you into muscle building mode. The real muscle killer, eating too early. This might surprise you, but one of the biggest mistakes people over 50 make is eating too early in the day, especially the wrong kinds of food. Why? Because as we age, we become more insulin resistant. Our bodies release more insulin to deal with the same amount of sugar. And insulin, when elevated too early, shuts off fat burning and suppresses testosterone and growth hormone, your muscle building hormones. The 5-minute muscle morning routine. Here's your simple 5-minute morning routine to rebuild strength after 60. Minute 1. Hydrate your liver. Drink warm water with lemon, salt, or apple cider vinegar. Minute 2. Get sunlight. Step outside or by a window. Just 2 minutes is enough. Minute 3. Move your body. Light squats, stretching, or a short walk to trigger muscle building pathways. Minute 4. Breathe deeply. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 to 8. Balance cortisol and calm the nervous system. Minute 5. Be still. Set your intention. No phone. No noise. Just mentally prepare to feel strong and energized. That's it. No supplements. No gym. No stress. Just 5 focused minutes to shift from muscle breakdown to muscle growth. Final thoughts and call to action. If you've been feeling weaker, if your strength seems to be slipping away, don't blame your age. Don't reach for another supplement or protein powder just yet. Rebuild your mornings. Shift your body's signals. And your muscles will respond, because they haven't disappeared. They've just been waiting for the right signal. Try this tomorrow. Hydrate before coffee. Delay breakfast. Move for 2 minutes. Step into the sunlight. Watch what happens over the next 3 to 5 days. Feel your energy. Feel your strength. Feel your comeback. If this message resonated with you, give it a like, and hit that subscribe button. I share simple, powerful ways to help you age with strength, vitality, and clarity, without gimmicks or guesswork. You've got the blueprint. Now give your body the signal it's been waiting for.